Well, I've had a nice relaxing morning so far, and it's actually a nice sunny day. After rain yesterday, stopped play. Gonna get my stuff together. I'm gonna take Ruby for a walk, sea to sky. Well, that was a nice walk along the beach. Time to crack on and muck out.
Hello, hello, it's good to see you. Hello, hello, how are you?
Oh, I should have left her in school. Heather's using me as transport again this evening.
Yes, I am.
Seems I'm off. I've had a nice quiet afternoon.
Now I'm gonna annoy him!
Now I've just picked up this one. Well, it's been quite a nice chilled out day today.
Yeah.
But not for Lynn, because she's been busy cleaning. We've just dropped Heather off. She's going off to a rugby match in Manchester with the school. And I'm going to put my feet up now, with a beer. Seems it's Friday. Going to say thank you very much for watching. And we'll see you all.
He hasn't done anything all day, so never mind putting your feet up, mate.
I walked the dog. I mucked out. I've been busy.
Yeah.
You've just been flitting around with a duster. Bye.